Okay, this is our Forteez 6 loaf pan. I love this pan, you guys. It's amazing. So this is our Trader Joe's cornbread mix. Yes, the mix. It's absolutely my favorite cornbread. I do have a great recipe for our cornbread as well, but this is so simple. Watch how beautiful this comes out. This is still warm, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's gonna fall apart. It's so warm. Look how gorgeous that loaf pops out. And look at your dirty pan. Hello, wow factor. I don't spray grease, oil, prep the pan anyway, you just put the batter straight in there. Look at this, this is the extra on the edge, comes right off. Let me show you this other loaf. So our Trader Joe's cornbread mix made both of these loaves. Oh, it's piping hot and warm, it's gonna be so good. There's my dirty pan, you guys, and look at these gorgeous loaves. Are those awesome? Okay, one of my favorite uses for this Forteez 6 loaf tray is freezing lasagna. So yes, I made lasagna in this pan. It was full. We ate 3 of them and then I froze 3 of them. This is awesome, you guys. Look at the portion control you have with this. Now I've got this amazing mini lasagna. Some that's 1 meal. For us, that's 2 meals, which is awesome. But I can then put it in my bag that I'm gonna store it in and put it in the freezer, and it's ready to go when I want to eat it. Now you can reheat it in the oven, which is my preferred way of doing frozen lasagna. The same way you buy frozen lasagna at the store, you guys. You just put it in the pan and you heat it up. Or you can heat up in the microwave, your choice. This one I did, this was zucchini lasagna, which is so great. So lots of great choices. But this is great for meal prep. You guys, you can freeze soup in 2-cup portions. This is a 2-cup capacity. So this 6 loaf is not only great for all those yummy, sweet and savory breads, but also lasagna and freezing. It's a perfect meal prep.